Guys, in previous lecture we have discussed about the conditional statements. Now we will discuss about the logical statements. So let's start. First, what is the logical statements? So there are mainly three types of logical operators. First one, logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. Just suppose if you have a multiple conditions, then you will have to use the logical operations. Logical operators are mainly used to combine the multiple conditions. Okay, are you understanding? Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. Let's say you wanted to program two outputs. You passed only when the variable pairing mark is greater than 39 and the variable attempts is less than 2. If your passing mark is 39, if you attempt only 2, there are two type of conditions. You have to attempt 39 numbers to pass, and you have attempt only 2 numbers. Then system outprint will you passed. If so, how you are using the AND logic operators, and if the better way is passing 39 attempt to, this is the program. Okay, this is the program to show both conditions operators of AND operators and true, and then condition become true. Okay, if you are showing that you are passed or not, then you will have to use both type of conditions with using the AND operators. Okay, this is the logical operator. Second one is a OR operator. Second one, OR operator. So OR operator says that the OR operator checks if any one of the condition is true, the condition become true. Okay, what say the OR operator? OR operator says that if the any one condition is true, then the become all condition is true. If one operator evaluate the true, then other second one will be also true. Okay, int passing mark is 40 in attempt 1. If passing mark 39, attempt equal to 2. Okay, this is the program. Then system what will be out, you passed. Okay, just I have already said that if you or operator say that, check that if one condition is true, then second condition will be also true. Okay, the output what will be, your output will be you passed. Okay, and third one is a NOT logical operator. It uses the reverse of logical statements. You already know about the NOT operator, that it work as a reversal of the operators. If you are true, if you are passed, then it will be so the false. Okay, it uses the reverse of logical statements of its operator. If a condition is true, the NOT logical operator will make it false. Okay, understand? It is always false, means it is always reverse. Okay, in age is 25, age is less than 18. Okay, system what will be the young else welcome. So what will be it show? It will be show the welcome. Okay, this is the main type of the logical statements. Okay, if you understand about this, please comment me and note down these type of operators. Okay, thank you, bye bye.